What if I told you you could stop investing in your 30s and still retire rich? No more monthly investing. No stress. Sounds fake? It's not. It's called Coast Fire. What is Coast Fire? Coast Fire equals you invest early, then stop investing, and your money still grows into your retirement goal. Why? Because of one thing: compound interest. The magic. Here's where it gets crazy. Add to 8% return, your money doubles every 9 years. So, 9 years equals 2x. 18 years equals 4x. 27 years equals to 810x. That means money you invest today can do all the work later. The $100K secret. The hardest part? Your first $100,000. But after that, your investments start growing faster than your savings. At this point, money starts working harder than you. Your Coast Fire number. Let's calculate it. Fast. Step 1. How much do you need yearly in retirement? Example, $60,000. Step 2. Multiply by 25 equals $1.5 million. This is your retirement goal. Step 3. Years until retirement? Example, 24 years. Step 4. Growth multiple is approximately equal to 6-7x. Step 5. Divide. 1. 5M divided by 6.5 is approximately equal to $230,000. That's your number. If you reach this today, you can stop investing. Yes, seriously. Why this changes everything. Once you hit Coast Fire, you're free. You can quit stressful jobs, work less, start something you love, because your future is already funded. Don't mess this up. Avoid these mistakes. Don't assume crazy returns like 12%. Stick to 7-8%. Don't ignore inflation. Future money is not equal to today's money. Don't be reckless. No debt. Keep emergency fund. Coast Fire is freedom, not stupidity. So remember, you don't need to invest forever. Just invest early enough and let time do the work. That's Coast Fire. Follow for more simple money ideas.